To make this football poster design in Canva, first I will generate these two images from Google's new image generation tool Nano Banana, which is also known as Google Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. And after that I will go to Canva, and in here I will go to social media, and after that go to Instagram, and Instagram post 4:5 format. Now in the elements I will search for empty soccer field, and I will go to photos, click on see all, and I will use this image, and after that I will click on BG remover, and as you can see the ground is also removed. So to restore the ground I will click on BG remover again and click on restore and select the highest brush size and just paint the ground. And after that click on this cross button, so our ground is painted and it will show. And after that let's make it bigger and place it right here. Okay, and after that click on edit, scroll down to find filters, click on see all and scroll down to find hazel, use that, and after that scroll up to find adjust, click on this contrast, increase the blacks. Okay, so it is done here, and after that I have uploaded both the images which I have generated, and I will just make this one size smaller like this and this one bigger. Let's unzoom the picture and work on it. And after that just crop out this part because this is not required, and after that click on BG remover to use only this image, and right click it, go to layer, send to back. And follow the same process here also, click on BG remover, so our image is here as you can see. Okay, just move the image here, and for the background I will select a dark red background like this, and I will go to elements. Here I will choose lion head logo, and I will use this image and change the color to this color, and after that make it more darker so that it is visible in this background also. Okay, and after that I will just bring it right here and make it slightly bigger and place it here. Click on right click, layer, send to back. Okay, and after that here I will use this image and duplicate it as I want to make the ball a little closer. I'll crop till the ball and I will bring it here, and I will crop the other ball, and I will select this player, click on edit, go to shadows, click on glow, and just use the default settings. And as you can see a glow layer is created. So now I have come to ChatGPT and I have asked here imaginary soccer player names. So it has suggested me some soccer player names. I am going with this Victor Deloren, and I will go to text, click on add a heading, and I will just paste the name, and I will select all of them, change the font to Zing, this Zing Rust base, and I will change it to 2 lines and select the line spacing, make it smaller, make it more smaller. So this one is good, and after that change the text color to white and make the text bigger. Click on send to back by going to layers, and after that select another time here, click on here, write welcome, and change the size to 32. Now I'll make some final changes here. Select this main image, click on edit, click on adjust, and increase the brightness, increase the highlights, and increase the blacks a little bit, and also the whites, like this. And I will go to elements, write shadow, and use this shadow, decrease the transparency to 80, make it smaller, place one here and another time in this football, and make both of them, go to layer, show layers, and make one shadow just behind the main football player and one behind the soccer, and your football poster is ready. So hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.